Hi, my name is Rochak from the company known as Rochak Puri. From last 19 years, we are providing financial solutions for people. So I attended this workshop from Keval Kishan. This is Automate Your Business workshop. Before this, I was of the thinking that ये जो लोग ऑटोमेटिकली अपना बिजनेस क्रिएट करते हैं या जो लोग गूगल पे शो मतलब जो बिजनेस होता है तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है एंड इट इज़ नॉट फॉर मी. But when I came into this program, Keval made it so simple and his team made it so simple that I'm really thankful. I'm really blessed that I was in this session. And so now what I'm seeing is so personal. I can create my personal branding. I can be on Google. And going forward, I think sky is the limit if I am able to use all these tools that Keval has shared with us. And really thankful to Keval and his team. And I'm sure that they are available all the time whenever I need their support. And I really want to recommend each and every entrepreneur to actually go into this workshop and create magic. Thank you so much. Thank you, Keval. Thank you so much for creating so much for us. Thank you so much.